The simple way to start planning for retirement. No math needed. Most people avoid retirement planning because it feels complicated, overwhelming, or full of financial jargon. But retirement clarity actually starts with something much simpler. And today, I'm going to show you a calm, step-by-step way to begin without any math, formulas, or complicated tools. What you'll learn. By the end of this video, you'll know the first step to retirement clarity, how to understand where you stand today, how to organize your numbers without logging into anything, and the simple method to move forward even if you're starting late. Section 1. Your starting point. Retirement planning doesn't start with saving. It starts with awareness. Your first step is simply understanding what your life costs today. You do not need exact numbers. You just need a calm snapshot of your monthly spending. Think of it as creating a picture, not solving a puzzle. Section 2. Basic expense snapshot. Write down 3 numbers. What you spend on essentials, what you spend on lifestyle, and what you spend on unexpected or irregular things. Even a rough estimate gives you clarity most people never reach. Section 3. Account awareness. The next step is understanding what you already have without logging in. All you need is a simple list of savings, checking, retirement accounts, any old accounts you remember, Social Security estimate. This isn't about accuracy. It's about understanding your picture. Section 4. Why this method works. People think retirement planning is complicated, but most confusion comes from not having a starting point. Once you can see your numbers, even roughly, everything becomes easier. Clarity always comes before action. Reassurance. If you're starting late or if your numbers feel messy, that's normal. Many people don't get clarity until their 40s, 50s, or 60s. You're not behind. You're starting today. Let's recap. Today you learned how to understand your expenses, how to list your accounts without logging in, the simple first steps toward retirement clarity. Free checklist. If you want a calm, guided version of these steps, you can download Create Your Wealth's free retirement starter checklist. It walks you through everything in simple, clear steps. And if you want deeper guidance, the Simple Retirement Blueprint is available for a more complete walkthrough.